National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Weber County in northern Utah, east central Box Elder
Is this the
County
same
in northern
warning?
Utah, until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over South Willard, Oregon, 9 miles south of Brigham City, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ogden, Brigham City, North Ogden, Cooper, Perry, Willard, Marriott, Slaterville, Bear River City, Green, South Willard, West Haven, Pleasant View, Far West, Harrisville, Plain City, West Warren, Wilson, Warren, West Weber, and Slaterville. This includes Interstate 15 between mile markers 345 and 306. Haven, Pleasant View, Far West, Harrisville, Plain City, West Warren. Interstate 15 between mile markers 345 and 365. For your protection, move your interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the area. Follow in Utah, Box Elder and Weber.
His hands.